And I feel really that when you have all of the three aspects of an innovator's mindset, which is courage, creativity, and customer centricity, it really alters your perspective. It transforms how you see things. It transforms how you perceive something, where instead of seeing a problem, it now becomes an opportunity. Instead of seeing vagueness or uncertainty, you treat it now as a space where you can discover new things. Instead of just, staying with the status quo, you then push yourself to really say, how can I make this better? How can I
Right.
experiment so that we can do things in a better way? Part of that is this one, no? Where in a world where nothing is certain, the only thing that you can do is
You can
actually
control.
prepare yourself to face all of the uncertainty, to
Right. Right.
change how you see things. And so that's part of how I think the innovation mindset can be helpful to organizations, because it is really a shift in mindset to accept the
Yeah.
reality that you don't have any control. And so how do I equip myself? Ito na lang yun. I can be courageous, I can
Yeah.
understand my customers,
Correct.
and I can just be creative in how I do things. Parang ganun. So that's kind of
Yeah.
how.
Such a
Yeah.
such a responsive